Hello everyone and welcome back to our science lesson about planets and stars. For this lesson, you will need to open your book on page 320 and 321. The center of attention. Can you look at the picture and tell me what is the center of our solar system? You should be able to see straight away what is in the very center of our solar system. That's right, it is the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system, of our solar system, and all the planets move around the sun. Let's read. The sun is the center of the solar system. Earth and other planets move in orbits around the sun. An orbit is the path a planet takes as it moves around the sun. Planets closer to the sun take less time to make an orbit around the sun. Planets farther away take more time to make an orbit. Let's do the active reading. The main idea is the most important idea about something. Draw 2 lines under the main idea. So we need to underline the main idea of the paragraph. Can you find it? That's right. The main idea of this paragraph is that Earth and the other planets move in orbits around the sun. So that's what you need to underline. Now, if you look at the picture here, you can see all the planets and their orbit around the sun. Take your finger and trace Mercury's orbit all the way around the sun. That is the path in which Mercury travels around the sun. Now, use your finger to trace around Earth's orbit. You will have to go on to page 321 to finish Earth's orbit. It takes 1 year for the Earth to make an orbit around the sun. So this path that the Earth travels around the sun, it takes 1 whole year to go all the way around and back to where it started. If you remember our math lesson from last week, you will remember how many days there are in a year. Can you remember how many days there are in the year? Well done, you're right. There are 365 days in a year. Now, if you want to be really specific, it actually takes 365 and 1/4 days. That's 1/4 of a day for the Earth to go the whole way around the sun. That's why every 4 years we gain an extra day in the year. Do you remember what that special year with that 366 days is called? That's right, it's a leap year. So every 4 years we have a leap year because the Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to make its trip around the sun. Mercury's orbit around the sun with your finger. Then you traced Earth's orbit around the sun with your finger. Whose was bigger? That's right, Earth's orbit was bigger than Mercury's. Now I would like you to find the planet Neptune, the furthest planet away from the sun. Can you trace Neptune's orbit around the sun with your finger? Then we will try to answer this question. Why does Neptune take more time to orbit the sun than the Earth takes? You can find the answer to this question on page 320 if you don't know the answer already. When you know, please write it here on the lines. That is the end of our lesson about planets. Next week, you are going to learn about stars. The most important thing that you need to remember from this lesson is that the sun is at the center of the solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and the planets are always moving. I hope you had a great time learning about planets with me. See you next week. Bye-bye.